اهلا وسهلا بكم مره تانية في قناتي واي اي فور مي. Everyone dream of future lives. The dream can only come true if you find himself a good street. المهم ندخل في الموضوع طولنا. النهارده اعزائي المشاهدين الفيديو ده جديد من نوع اليوميات. يعني ايه يوميات؟ يعني كل واحد بينزل فيديو بيوريك يومياته عامله ازاي. النهارده هنتكلم من مكان الشغل بتاعي، ثواني، القهوه. هنتكلم عن، لا مش هنتكلم عن النهارده يوميات، النهارده اتفرجوا وبس. يتغسل عشان يعني يتغسل ويبقى نضيف. الأجانب بيحبوا without sugar، بدون سكر. نفسي مرة أجربها، مرة جربتها لقيتها طعمها Are you busy? Are you busy? So can I talk to you for with my canals?
Yeah, of course.
Okay. So what did you like to see to after when you come to visit the Amin guest house?
We've been to Philae Temple, it was very beautiful.
Uh-huh.
And we've been also to the other temple that is Abu Simbel.
Yes.
It's quite far from here, but that's the two reasons why we came here.
Mhm.
And it was like very, very beautiful. These temples are like so detailed and
This is the first time for your team in here in Egypt.
Yes.
Think you like it in Egypt.
Yeah.
Sorry for my language. I'm not speak English good,
Oh no,
but
it's
a little.
It's very good.
I like the language for English. Before all the time, I listen Michael Jackson songs. You like it?
That's how you learn English.
So, can you talk to anything for Aswan, Egypt, El Amin guest house, anything?
I think I really liked. I liked staying on this island. I liked the Nubian people.
Yeah.
We went to the Nubian Museum and we learned a lot that we didn't know before, that we didn't learn in other places in Egypt. We also got on a felucca and saw sunset and went around the island, and that was really nice because we got to talk to a local that lives on this island. So he showed us like some spots that I think a lot of people miss. And he obviously knows about them because he's native and lives here. So that was a really nice.
So, what would you like to? What about for your opinion about Aswan?
But Aswan.
Yeah.
It's a lot quieter than Cairo, which is nice.
Uh-huh.
People are really friendly. Walking around Elephantine, I felt extremely safe even at night. Lots of really cute dogs here as well, so that's always a bonus. But yeah, no, overall I just felt a lot more relaxed here and just at peace and safe. So
Nice.
definitely coming back.
Nice,
Yeah.
nice friends. Thank you so much. And here in Elephantine Island, it's a very safe area.
Yeah.
You can read all things about all people in here. It's older people, Nubian village, and very wonderful people, quiet people. We hope you enjoy and you come visit to Egypt all time.
Oh, of course. Thank you.
Thank you so much. You're welcome. هنكمل معاكم ان شاء الله في الحلقات اللي جايه مع كل الزوار عندنا في الامين جيست هاوس، وان شاء الله الفيديوهات اللي تعجبكم، ومش هتكلم كتير بقى عشان ما حدش يطول عليك. اوكي يلا سلام. Thank you so much.
Thank you.